In this video, I'm going to walk you through a custom extension I built for Google Flow's Storyboard Studio. The original Storyboard Studio is a great tool, but it has some notable limitations. You can't add images from an existing project's gallery, and you can't upload images directly from your local device into a storyboard. This extension solves both of those problems. I've also built it to store everything in a JSON structure, consistent with how the original Storyboard Studio saves data, so your stories stay portable and compatible. This is a custom tool I built by remixing the original Storyboard Studio using Google Flow's Remix feature. I call it Storyboard Extended Beta. Because it's a custom tool, it won't appear in your workspace by default. I'll share the tool link in the description so you can try it for yourself. Since this is still experimental, I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments. Just like the original Storyboard Studio, you start by loading a story that was previously saved. If you've watched my earlier videos, you'll be familiar with the script, scenes, dialogue, transitions, and assets that make up a storyboard project. The Storyboard Extended Beta works the same way. Load your existing story, and you're ready to go. Here's where this tool goes beyond the original. When you add a character in the reference section, you get two options. Option 1. Import from Media Gallery. Browse assets from any of your existing Google Flow projects and pull an image directly into your storyboard. No need to recreate characters from scratch. Option 2. Upload from computer. Select any image from your local device and bring it straight into the storyboard. Both options work the same way. Once you select an image, the tool uses AI to automatically extract its visual description, clothing details, and the original prompt metadata. You're not just copying an image, you're carrying over all the context with it. Beyond adding new characters, you can also replace an existing image in your storyboard. Head to the shot or character you want to update. Use the same gallery or upload flow to swap it out, and the AI will re-extract the visual description automatically. The same approach works for locations and props too. Whether you want to pull a location image from another project's gallery or upload a custom environment from your device, the tool handles it the same way. Extract, describe, and store. One of the key features of this extension is how it saves your data. Everything, characters, images, descriptions, prompts, and scenes, is stored in a JSON structure that mirrors the original Storyboard Studio format. To verify this, you can reload the saved story directly from the tool. All characters are there, fully stored in the JSON file, along with their visual descriptions and metadata. This means your extended storyboard stays compatible with the original format, and you can always reload, edit, or expand it later. You can also add new scenes and frames, just like in the original Storyboard Studio. What makes this extension powerful is that you can pull frames from different projects. So if you've built assets across multiple Google Flow projects, you can consolidate them into a single storyboard here. If you add a frame you don't need, you can delete it at any point. Just remember to save your story after any changes so you don't lose your work. One important note. If you're adding new characters rather than replacing existing ones, you may also need to update your story's script to include these characters in the narrative. The tool stores the data, but the story context is yours to manage. And that's the Storyboard Extension tool for Google Flow. This is still an experimental beta, so I genuinely appreciate your feedback. Let me know what works, what doesn't, and what features you'd like to see added. The tool link is in the description below. Thanks for watching.